Good morning children, welcome to English class. In last class we learned about the lesson 7 question. Right children, today we are learning about the prepositions children. Grammar topic prepositions. Okay, how many types of prepositions we are having for this examination children? Two types. What are they? Prepositions of time and prepositions of place. First of all, what do you mean by preposition children? Preposition, that means it will tell about the where the noun or where something have been placed. Position of the something it will tells. That means we can call as preposition. And here preposition of place means we can simply say that the preposition will tells where the thing or some person will be there. We will tell the place where the person is there. And preposition of time means children. Preposition of time means when the action was happened it will tells. Preposition of place అంటే ఏంటి? ఒక థింగ్ కానీ ఒక పర్సన్ కానీ ఎక్కడ ఉన్నారు అని చెప్పడానికి ఈ వర్డ్ ని యూస్ చేస్తాం. ప్రిపోజిషన్ ఆఫ్ ప్లేస్ ని. ప్రిపోజిషన్ ఆఫ్ టైం అంటే ఏదైనా ఒక యాక్షన్ కానీ ఒక ఈవెంట్ కానీ ఎప్పుడు జరిగింది అని చెప్పడానికి preposition time. Preposition of time we will learn. First let's see the preposition of place children. Preposition of place children. Now I'll tell the prepositions one by one children. You just listen. Note down in your book children, class work just to revise. Beside, in front of, beside, in front of, behind, under, between, and somehow we are having what over, at. See children, beside, in front of, behind, under, between, over, at. These are the prepositions of place we are having children. Now one by one I will tell, and one for each preposition I will give one example. You just listen children. See, I will show the book of your companion. See children, here is this visible to you? Now see, this one what it's there? The book is dash the shelf. The book, where is the book children? On the table. On means book table meeda book undi. And next one, the pen is dash the books and the box. Here box is there and books is there. Here pen is there. That means where is the pen? Between the books and the box. And next third one children, the lamp is dash the sofa. Where is the lamp children here? Between the sofa or on the sofa? No, beside the sofa. See children, on ante meeda, between ante middle lo unnappudu between, and pakkana annappudu beside. And next one, see children. Here the box is beside the door. The box is beside the door. And next, Rama is sitting dash her desk. Where the Rama is sitting? At her desk. Ante desk daggara kurchunnadi. And next, here see children, sorry, here not beside. What it's there? See the picture clearly. బ్యాక్ సైడ్ మీన్స్ వి విల్ టెల్ బిహైండ్, అంటే డోర్ వెనకాల ఉంటే బిహైండ్ అంటాం, డోర్ ముందుంటే ఇన్ ఫ్రంట్. ఓకే, వీ కెన్ సే ఇన్ ఫ్రంట్ ఆర్ బిహైండ్ ద డోర్. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ సిక్స్త్ వన్, see children, the girl is wearing a jacket dash her shoulders. Okay, the girl is wearing a jacket dash her shoulders, over the shoulders. Over means children meeduga. See, for example, a bird is flying over the sea, over the river, we will tell. That means what children? రివర్ మీదుగా బర్డ్ ఫ్లై చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్తుంది, లైక్ దట్ వి విల్ సే. ఓకే, దాని మీదుగా ఉన్నప్పుడు వీ హ్యావ్ టు సే ఓవర్. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్, సీ చిల్డ్రన్, దిస్ వన్, ది బాయ్ ఈజ్ సిట్టింగ్ డాష్ ద టెలివిజన్. వేర్ ద బాయ్ ఈజ్ సిట్టింగ్ హియర్, సీ హియర్ చిల్డ్రన్, ఇన్ ఫ్రంట్ ఆఫ్. ఇన్ ఫ్రంట్ ఆఫ్ అంటే టీవీకి ముందుగా కూర్చున్నారు. ఓకే, నౌ వన్స్ అగైన్ ఐ విల్ టెల్, సీ చిల్డ్రన్, beside means side by side if two things are there. Okay, the lamp is beside the sofa, and in front of means the boy is sitting in front of television, and behind means behind the box is there behind the door, and under means there is a cat under the table crinda cat undi. Okay, and between means there is a pen between box and books. Over means the girl is wearing a jacket over the shoulders. Okay, over means meeduga. And next, at means daggarga. Okay, that means here what the example we have learned, the girl is sitting at her desk. Okay, like that these are the prepositions of place children. You have to see the situation and you have to read the sentence. Basing on that, we have to choose the suitable prepositions. Once again, repeat after me. Beside, in front of, behind, under, between, over, at. Okay, now we will see the prepositions of time. Okay, prepositions of time, we are having 5 children. See, what are they? During, by, until, ago, from. Okay children, now see, during means what? When one action is going on. Okay, when action is going on, something was happened, we have to use this during. Okay, action jarugutunde inkoka action jarugute, then we have to use during. That means see, the bell was rang during, when I am writing, during the exam. Okay, the bell was rang during the exam. That means what children? During ante exam jarugutu ఉన్నప్పుడు bell rang అయింది. And next one, it was raining during, no, we are playing during it is raining. Okay, during rain otherwise. Okay, we are playing during rain. Okay, during rainfall. That means మేము ఎప్పుడు ఆడుతున్నాం? రైన్ వస్తూ ఉన్నప్పుడు మనం ఆడుతూ ఉన్నాం. ఓకే, అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్, వాట్ చిల్డ్రన్? బై. వన్ మోర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, సీ చిల్డ్రన్, డ్యూరింగ్. ఐ వాస్ బోర్న్ డ్యూరింగ్ ది వింటర్ సీజన్. ఓకే, ఐ వాస్ బోర్న్ డ్యూరింగ్ ది వింటర్ సీజన్. దట్ మీన్స్ వాట్? ఎప్పుడు నేను పుట్టాను? డ్యూరింగ్ ది వింటర్ సీజన్. వింటర్ సీజన్ జరుగుతూ ఉన్నప్పుడు నేను పుట్టాను. దట్ మీన్స్ వాట్ డిడ్ ఐ టోల్? ఏదైనా ఒక యాక్షన్ జరుగుతూ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఇంకొకటి ఏదన్నా జరుగుతూ ఉన్నదాన్ని మనం యూజ్ చేయడానికి డ్యూరింగ్ అనేది యూజ్ చేస్తాం. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్, బై. బై మీన్స్ we will tell by that time. By 8 o'clock you have to come. By 6 o'clock you have to come. Like that we will say, no children? Yes. Now you have to submit your work by Sunday. You have to submit your work by Sunday. That means we will use by. And next, one more example I will tell. She returned home by 7 o'clock. She returned home by 7 o'clock. That means 7 o'clock kalla tanu vachesindi. By అంటే ఆ టైం కల్లా వచ్చేసింది అని చెప్పినప్పుడు by we will use. And next, until. Until means two actions will be there. one action is going on until the action should get. ఓకే, ఒక యాక్షన్ జరుగుతూ ఉంటుంది, నెక్స్ట్ యాక్షన్ స్టార్ట్ అవ్వేంత వరకు ఈ యాక్షన్ జరగడాన్ని అంటిల్ అని యూజ్ చేస్తాం. ఓకే, వి వాచ్ టీవీ అంటిల్ మై ఫాదర్ కేమ్ టు హోమ్. ఓకే, టీవీ ఎప్పటి వరకు చూసాము? డాడీ వచ్చేంత వరకు చూసాము. దేర్ వి విల్ యూజ్ అంటిల్. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్ మోర్ చిల్డ్రన్, అంటిల్. We played until it got dark. We played until it got dark. ఎప్పటి వరకు ఆడుకున్నాం? అది చీకటి పడిపోయేంత వరకు మేము ఆడుకున్నాం అని చెప్పడానికి until we will use. And ago means something was happened. Okay, long ago we will say, no, long ago there was a ruler in India. His name is Akbar. Okay, and long ago I met Radha. Okay, long ago I met Radha. Or 2 years ago I talked with my grandfather. Like that in past, long past, if you want to say, we will use ago. And from means what, children? From that time onwards, or from Monday onwards we are having exams, or from evening onwards every day we will go to park. Like that, when we will use from, something going to happen, we will use from, children. Okay, and next, the restaurant is open from morning 10 a.m. to evening 9 p.m. Okay, that means from and to we will use. And the library will be open from Monday to Friday. Like that we will use from, children. Okay, during, by, until, ago and from. These are the prepositions of time, children. Now what you have to do is, you are having so many exercises in companion and studio, right, children? You just try to write one sentence by using these 5 prepositions. No need of preposition of place, but you write prepositions of time. These 5 using these prepositions, write one sentence, children. Okay, write and send to me in WhatsApp. Okay, this is about English class. Thank you.